This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware and state. Use the original Realme charger and cable that advertise fast charging. This matters because non-rated cables limit current. Once done, make sure your phone is not in battery saver or extreme power modes, and that the battery is above 5% so the system allows fast charging. Then, plug the charger directly into a reliable wall outlet rather than a computer USB port or untested adapter, and you're ready for the next steps in settings. You now enable the software switch that permits higher current. Open Settings, go to Battery, then Charging or Advanced Battery options, and activate the Fast Charge or Super VOOC/Dart Charge toggle if present. The label varies by model. Make sure adaptive battery or app background restrictions aren't limiting charging speed, and disable battery saver. Also, close or stop heavy apps and services such as GPS and streaming, so the phone draws more current to the battery, instead of powering active workloads while charging. You finish by verifying that fast charging is active. Watch the on-screen indicator or use a battery app to see watts or percent per minute. A clear jump in rate confirms success. If the option isn't visible, update system software and restart. Sometimes firmware adds or restores the toggle. If charging remains slow, try the original cable and charger on another outlet, inspect connectors for lint or damage, and test in safe mode. These steps isolate accessory faults versus software problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.